You are probably tried various diet and supplements for fat loss, but what if I told you there is a natural compound that can help target fat without any harmful side effects? Today we were talking about trimethylglycine TMG, a powerful compound that some claims is even better than peptides for fat loss. But is that true? How does it work? And should you add it to your routine? Let's find out. What is TMG? TMG or trimethylglycine is a naturally occurring compound found in beets, quinoa, and whole grains. It's known as a methyl donor, which means it helps regulate homocysteine levels, supports liver detoxification, and boosts metabolic health. How does TMG help with fat loss? Point number 1, activates lipolysis. TMG helps break down fat cells, converting stored fat into energy. Point number 2, improves insulin sensitivity. By reducing insulin resistance, your body is less likely to store fat and more likely to burn it. Point number 3, boost energy levels. TMG enhances ATP production, your body energy currency, helping you burn more fat during workouts. Point number 4, prevents muscle loss. It supports muscle retention while promoting fat loss, making it an excellent choice for weight management. Comparison with peptides. When compared to peptide, TMG has the advantage of being naturally available and legally accessible. While some peptides may have side effects or require prescriptions, TMG is a holistic approach that not only aids fat loss but also improves digestion, metabolism, and overall health. How to use TMG? Point 1, recommended dose 500 mg to 2000 mg daily. Consult your doctor before use. Best time to take in the morning or before workout to maximize energy and fat burning effects. Point number 3, natural sources. You can get TMG from beets, quinoa, and wheat bran and whole grains. Precautions and side effects. If you have kidney issues or high homocysteine levels, consult a doctor before taking TMG. Excessive intake may cause digestive discomfort or bloating. So, if you are looking for a natural, safe, and scientifically backed supplement for fat loss and overall health, TMG might be the perfect option. Will you give it a try? Let me know in the comments. And if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more health tips.